Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Mercy with DiscountLowVoltage.com. Today we're going to take a look at AFL's ST 10 gig 50 micron connector. Now, this is their part number CS008482-12. This is sold as a 12 pack from the manufacturer, but we have them individually also if that's how you want to order them. Now, if you do order it as a 12 pack, a installation and assembly instruction brochure is included. Now, some of the cool features on this connector is it's pre-stubbed, factory polished, and no epoxy required, making it easy to terminate when you're out in the field. The fiber can be reseated up to 3 times. I don't know of any other connector that can do that. And there's also boots included, a 3.0, a 2.0 millimeter, and a 900 UM boot provided with each connector. So if you bump into a loose tube application, you're covered. Now, we also have the other connectors available, the single mode, the 62.5 multi-mode, and also as a LC or Sam Charlie, and all kinds of other fiber stuff you can order right there online. Questions, call us. The number here is 888-797-3697.